Welcome to this technical guide on the Dreame RLS6LADC. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dreame RLS6LADC is struggling with internal cleaning, you might notice that it makes unusual sounds or fails to pick up dirt effectively. This issue often arises due to blockages or wear in the internal components, such as the brushes or the suction system. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage, resulting in a more costly repair down the line. To perform this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and some replacement brushes or filters if necessary. First, ensure the robot is turned off and unplugged. Carefully flip the robot over and locate the screws holding the bottom cover in place. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, taking care to set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the bottom cover using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips as you do this. In this model, the component that typically fails is the main brush. Locate it at the center of the robot. To remove the brush, you may need to unlock it by twisting it counterclockwise. After it's released, examine the brush for any obstructions. If it appears worn or damaged, now is the time to replace it. Install the new brush by aligning it correctly and twisting it clockwise until it clicks into place. It's essential to ensure that any connected cables are not damaged during this process. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've secured the new brush, carefully replace the bottom cover. Align it properly, and press it down gently until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws, tightening them firmly but without excessive force to avoid stripping them. Finally, turn the robot back on and test its functionality to ensure it's operating smoothly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean the brushes and filters of your Dreame RLS6LADC. Additionally, keeping the sensors clear of dust and debris will help maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.